Buying a washing machine in 2026 is confusing. Between AI sensors and ventless drying, which one actually works? Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 best sellers for every budget. Let's start with number 3. At number 3 is the Electrolux 700 series. This is the machine for people who are tired of clothes coming out with white detergent streaks. Its secret weapon is SmartBoost technology. Most washers just dump detergent on top of the clothes, but the Electrolux pre-mixes it with water in a separate chamber before the cycle even starts. This leads to 40% better stain removal, even in eco-friendly cold water cycles. It also features a magnetic door prop, which is a simple but genius fix for that musty front loader smell. By keeping the doors slightly ajar, it allows the seal to dry out completely. Currently priced at $1,049, it's backed by a lifetime drum warranty, making it the safest long-term investment on this list. Next up at number 2 is the LG WM4000H. This is the undisputed king of efficiency. If you have a large family and feel like you're always doing laundry, this machine will save you hours every week. Its TurboWash 360 system uses 5 high-pressure jets to spray your clothes from every single angle, finishing a deep, clean load in just 30 minutes. It's also equipped with AI DD 2.0, which uses 20,000 different wash patterns to ensure your silk shirts aren't treated with the same intensity as your bath towels. At a current sale price of $849, it is the best value for money washer on the market. It's quiet, it's stockable, and it consistently holds the highest reliability rating from independent consumer labs. And finally, the number 1 bestseller for 2026, the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. This is a total game changer because it eliminates the most annoying part of laundry, moving wet clothes to the dryer. This is a true all-in-one. You put dirty clothes in and they come out 100% dry in under 100 minutes. It uses a ventless heat pump, so you don't need a dryer vent, meaning you can install it in a closet or even a kitchen. The 7-inch AI home screen lets you track your energy bill in real time, and it even features an auto open door that pops the machine open at the end of the cycle to keep your clothes fresh. While it retails for $1,999, it's a space-saving powerhouse that represents the true future of the home. I've tagged the live deals for all 3 machines in the product section below. Prices are changing fast this month, so click the links to see today's lowest price. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.